Bandits! Always popular early bird special for Tuesday, March 30th. College basketball. Be sure to like, subscribe, click the bell icon. Want to make a bandit? The number one ranked early bird special pro sports capper in the world. Start your day with the winner. Bandits early bird special. Have you been losing all day? You need a winner? Check out Bandits late night special. Want to make a bandit? The number one ranked late night special pro sports capper in the world. College basketball. USC versus Gonzaga. Want to end up playing Gonzaga on the money line. Minus 450. Gonzaga money line. Want to make a bandit? King of the 1 minute videos. Making you money in 1 minute. Want to make a